Hey guys, welcome to Joe's RC Corner. Today we're going to start working a little bit on the left wing, so stay tuned and I'll tell you what we're going to try to get done today and catch you up on what's going on. Alright guys, so welcome back, and last week I didn't really get any work done. Haven't been feeling the greatest. Found out that I got a hyperactive thyroid, so it's an overachiever, so that's always good, right? No? Well, it makes you feel like crap, and I'm working on getting medications and stuff to get that under control. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do any flying right now because of it. According to the FAA's website, I need to get approvals from my AME to get that, get my medical back in place. But in the meantime, we're going to keep working here on the Cricket. And as you see, we have the left wing skeleton clecoed together now. We're going to go ahead and start drilling out the holes, getting everything to the final hole size to get those ribs riveted in place. Then we can start moving on to the next steps. Of course, all of those pieces are going to have to be primed, at least on the sides where the two metal pieces are touching. On the right wing, I also replaced the corner skin here because I was not happy with how the other one was looking. So I went ahead and replaced it, and we're going to make that work properly, make it fit right. Also, on experimental aircraft parts, I believe is the name of it, bought a couple of access panels. I think I talked about this last time. One of them is for the pitot tube, which is really cool. That way I can pull my pitot tube down with this access panel. Works out really nice. Also bought the panels that I'm going to be utilizing for my landing lights that go on the wings right about here. So I do have to fix the right wing, so we'll work on that another day. Today we're just going to try to get this taken care of. So that's kind of the start of where we are right now, guys. I still have to get this all taken care of for this wing. Yeah, so that's where we are, guys. Left wing and the wingtip, as you saw in the last video, are done up to where I'm at right now. I did put the fuel tank in there for right now, just to kind of keep it in place until we get everything. That way I don't lose it, or lose it. That way I don't damage it while we're sitting around. So have the fuel tank in there, just sitting in there for right now. So that's where we are, guys. We're going to go ahead and try to start knocking out the skeleton of the left wing, get that done today, set it aside, and, oh, well, not set it aside. I can tell this really does affect me here a little bit. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the ribs and everything bolted on. I'm going to re-torque all of these, put some torque paint on the bolts here, and just try to get this kind of started and knocked out. So, yeah, so let's get back to work, guys. Hey guys, so welcome back, and I know the time lapse and everything was probably not so good, but we did get a little bit accomplished today. Not as much as I may have wanted to, but at least something. Did not touch the left wing at all. So next week we'll have to get on this and really start burning some time on this, because we need to get this left wing completed, so that way during my Christmas break from work, I can get both of these wings mounted to the Cricket. Get the struts cut down and everything, But what we did get accomplished today, and I'll show you here. All right, so I'll show you guys here. We did get the nav light, the landing light access panel mounted, and got the light mounted, and I'll put a picture somewhere about right here of this working. So we do have the light on, it is working, the panel is in, came out pretty darn good if you ask me. Yeah, so I know these probably fit better from the inside, and then, or at least look cleaner when they're mounted on the inside. But I had some extra holes in here from the previous mounting solution that I had that I decided not to use. Was not happy with it, so I went ahead and changed it out to this access panel. This way it's removable. I can take these screws out, drop the light, unplug it, and do any maintenance. Also have access then to an access panel now, so I can look inside. And we'll do the same thing with the other landing light on the other side. We'll take a look to see if this mount, if I might need to add some bracing inside here, maybe some L angles. Might need to, because it does wobble back and forth, and that's really, we need to strengthen that area there. So we'll see how that works. Maybe put an L angle inside on either side of here where this is mounted, and that should stiffen that direction up quite a bit. So we'll take a look at that. But other than that, that landing light is in on the right wing, and of course in the last video so we have the nav strobe light all taken care of there. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's where we are today. That's going to be the end of the video. I'm cleaning up for the day. Hopefully when I get my medications correct for the hyperthyroid, we'll be able to start knocking this out, because my goal is still to get this completed February, March of next year, so that way I can join all you guys at all the upcoming fly-ins for next year. So that's the goal, that's the plan. We'll see if we can make it. Not going to rush to try to get it done faster just because. We're going to take our time, we're going to do it right, we're going to get it done. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you mash that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more work done here on the left wing. All right, guys, catch you later, and keep building, keep flying.